Here we come to the parking garage elevators at Scottsdale Fashion Square Mall near Harkins Theaters in Phoenix, Arizona. These are KONE. We're going to go down and then up. Yeah. These are glass. KSS 140 fixtures. It's this one here. It's got glass doors. There's people in here.
We won't bite.
We're just taking a picture of the elevator. Door close works.
Good idea.
Fast. KONE EcoDiscs. KSS 500 on the inside. Alright, door close button works. These are pretty nice. Very nice cab. Very nice cab. Glass doors. This has the voice too. It's very quiet. And then, can we go down to 2 again? Anyways, we'll stop it up here. Anyways, here it goes. And that's gonna be it.